In this video, I'll show you where the fuse boxes are located on your Toyota Rav4 second generation. The first one is on the driver footwell on the left side. You have the small cubby that you need to remove, alright, because the fuse box is behind. So simply pull on it, and on the cubby itself, you're gonna find the fuse boxes diagram telling you which one is which, and the fuses will be right over there. It's a bit deep, you may have to reach out to get them, but yeah. Now to get to the second fuse box, you need to open the hood of the car. And by the way, to put back this little thing, okay, you simply need to slide in first the top part and then the hinge. I don't know if it makes sense, but this is how I was able to put it back after a few try. Here we go. Perfect. Okay, now for the second fuse box, right over here on the right side, okay, this car doesn't have an engine obviously, but on the right side you have this box, and we need to pinch these clips. You see there is one over here, and well, this one on the side doesn't do anything, but there is one behind that you need to pinch both of them at the same time and lift the cover. It will come out. Alright, perfect, just like that. And yeah, the cover comes out, and you're gonna have a diagram again on this cover, and the fuses will be over here. The fuse box is there, and you also have some spare fuses. What you see there, you can use them in case you have a bad fuse. You don't have to buy anything, it's right on the cover. To put the cover back, simply align it and slap it back in place. Thanks for watching, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.